Welcome to this free lecture. This lecture is taken from my ZBrush full anatomy and character creation course. Details of this course can be found now. If you like what I'm doing here, visit the page, check it out, see if you like it, and take the course. Welcome guys to this free lecture. Now this lecture is about how anatomy can improve your sculpting. In my ZBrush anatomy and character creation course, I am very hands-on with looking at the anatomy and the bony landmarks and the muscle groups and how it can affect your sculpting. So as I mentioned, the bony landmarks are the parts of the bone that actually show through on the skin, and knowing where these are and what these are is essential for realistic sculpting in anatomy within ZBrush. That in association with knowing the muscle groups of the body is also of maximum importance for you to know where those muscles lay, where they connect to the bones. All these things hand in hand help you as an anatomy sculptor inside ZBrush. It will improve your sculpting skills to know where these muscle groups are and what they are, and be able to talk to someone by naming those parts. Without getting into too much detail, I cover all of the main groups, the ones that are important and the ones that are visible to us as sculptors. This also goes for the main bony landmarks as well, or the main bones of the human body, and understanding and being able to name them, at least on a basic level, is of course really important. So I provide guides, high-res guides of these images for you to download and print out and keep, maybe even put on your wall, so you've got some evidence of where these are and you can quickly reference them. So also looking at the actual proportions of the body parts as well, and being able to quickly decide where things like the navel, the elbows, the head to shoulder ratio, your kneecaps and these sort of things, and being able to visualize and put those into your sculpts and measure your sculpts to make sure everything's proportionally correct. Of course there is slight differences from character to character, but if you start off with something that's accurate, you can then adjust it as you see fit. This again is all covered in my anatomy class. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want to improve your anatomy skills, then check out my website at mojomojo.design, or you can go straight to my actual training center itself, which is courses.mojomojo.design, and you can find out more information there. This course is an evergreen course. It will be growing all over 2020. At the moment I have quite a few sections in there. I am going to start getting into more intermediate advanced work, and this is proceeding through the whole of 2020. I also have a community as well of users that are already taking my course and finding it to be very beneficial for them. So I am starting from a complete beginner and I'm working my way through. I'll be showing examples of different artists and the way they work, and a ton of other stuff. So check out the videos, and there's some free videos inside the course itself which you can check out, see whether you like my teaching style. I do supply all of the assets within the course itself, unless noted. Most of them, 90% of them, are actually included in each of the sections, and these sections will be growing throughout 2020. So check it out, let me know what you think.